What can you do when you worry? A lot of things, actually. Having things for your hands to do can be really helpful. So today, we are going to make a worry box. You are going to need a box or a container of some sort and some things to decorate it. You're also going to need to have some things to go inside it. Think about having something soft, something smooth, something hard, something squishy, something that smells good, and something that makes you smile or laugh. Decorate the container any way you'd like. Put your things inside. Carry it with you when you are going somewhere or doing something that makes you feel worried. When you need to, pull out the object that you need. Hold on to it. Move it around in your hands as you need to. Breathe deeply and slowly.